Hi folks, going to do a quick inspection video on this mixing crock. First thing I want to do is do the ding test. And you always want to do it 3 times, brings you good luck. Now I'm going to spin it around so there's no cracks that I know in it, but there is a chip right there on the outer rim. It's got the old pitting in the glaze from when they fired it. Real small teeny chip right here on the outer rim. Another little chip down there on the outer rim. There's the inside. Nice shelf piece. We have another one almost identical to it. I'll do another video for it. Thank you.